Welcome back to another edition. Did you just burp? What was that? Welcome back to another edition of strange things that we bought off the internet that we're gonna taste or smell. Last time we had the girls, this time it is Lincoln and it's our friend Kai. So, Kai, are you ready for this challenge?
Yes.
Okay.
I don't really know what the challenge is just yet.
I like that you're ready even though you don't know what it is. First, we've got this.
Bag of reindeer farts. Cotton candy, Santa's favorite Christmas treat. 100% magical, 100% majestic, 100% merry.
We got another one for you. Freshness you can taste.
Oh no.
Yeah, the original bag of poo! How do you find this?
I don't know.
Oh, look. Let's just go buy the original bag of poo. Yum! Enjoy the fresh poo. Cotton candy. Taste it as it melts in your mouth.
Being undead never tasted so sweet. Bag of zombie farts.
Oh my gosh.
Make America sweet again.
Bag of Trump hair.
Trump hair, baby.
Looks like
Girl in that picture. Doesn't he?
I do not look like a girl.
He doesn't even have a body.
Which one do we go for first? I would say it's either got to be Trump or poop. The Trump hair. Okay, let's do it. Open her up.
Voila! Oh, it's yellow. It's yellow. Let's see.
well, that's interesting.
Bananas.
Bananas.
It's bananas.
It's bananas.
It's banana flavored. I'm not a fan of cotton candy at all.
All right. Trump's hair tastes like bananas.
Thank you, darling.
Yeah.
Is that what you thought it would smell like or taste like?
No.
If I'm like having school and I have my camera on, I just want this to be in the background. The original bag of food.
It's so great. We have to do this one last.
Okay, zombie farts coming up. Zombie.
Wow.
What the heck?
What the heck? Tastes like it's dead. Why'd you take a bigger one? What does it taste like? Kind of, you had a ginormous bite.
It almost tastes like berries.
Dingleberries.
Those are my.
That's your pile right there. No, that's
And then
right.
Kai's is like.
All right, we got reindeer farts.
Yep. I got a taste off of it. It's peppermint.
It's peppermint.
Peppermint. We got 2 confirmed peppermints right here.
Peppermint.
Bing, 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 bing. Lincoln's got it back in his pile right there. The moment we've all been waiting for.
The original bag of food!
Freshness to taste. It's another bag.
What is it? Is it brown?
It's another bag. It's brown.
Yes, it better be brown.
Brown. Oh my gosh.
Oh man, are you kidding me? What? This one's gonna be good. This one's from a different company than the other one, so. He just goes all in, I love it. What is it?
It's like chocolate.
Oh, that's good. I love how you just go all in.
Really?
I just looked at it and like my spit is just devouring. It's made like a hole.
Yeah, that's cotton candy. Lincoln, verdict?
It tasted poopy.
Which one did you like the most? What did you like that one the most? That tasted the best?
Well, didn't taste the best.
You just like a bag of poo the
The
most.
bag of zombie farts tasted the best, I think.
Okay, that's good for people to know. Well, you can take that one home to your family.
Oh yeah.
Lincoln's gonna keep the bag of poo though.
I need to keep
Trump hair.
bananas.
Bananas, ooh la la.
Ooh la la.
Oh Bananas, ooh la la. For those that have stayed this long in the video, you get a bonus. You get Love is Sweet, a bag of Cupid farts.
I knew you were waiting to bring that one out. I saw this
we
one
gotta
before.
read it.
Oh yeah, it's 100% beautiful and 100% heartfelt and 100% sweet. A bag of Cupid farts.
Kai is the first taste tester.
It definitely has a different taste in all of them. Tastes like a normal bag of cotton candy.
Now, give us the rating. What is it?
Still this.
Zombies are number 1. Who's number 2?
Original bag of poop.
Bag of Poo's number 2. Number 3.
Drop.
Trump hair. And out of these two,
Bag of reindeer farts.
reindeer farts. And in last place, you got the Cupid farts. All right, Lincoln, why don't you bag up the poo and go put it in your office. Let's see where we're gonna put this thing.
My fingers are poopy.
Not the first time, buddy. So there we go. There's our second edition of weird things we bought off the internet. Let us know what else we should get. Let us know in the comments, like, are there some weird things that you've seen on the internet? We also have a Facebook group called What's Insiders. And on there, if you are our diehard fans, you can go in there and we chat with you guys, give tips. Let us know in there, what should we buy next? So we've got a Utah Jazz hat, a 3 dead bushes, a TV that you can't quite put on the table, and the bag of poo.
And the bag of candy. Of course.
Is that a good spot for it?
Right here.
Right there.
Right when you walk in.
Right when you walk in, you see the poo.
The poo.
That fits.
It's great. It's a bag of poo. What more do you need?
One.